are you from?
I came from Kuwait.
Great.
Rather going back na, when I will go back to the airport soon. Is there any way going there? There's bus or metro or only taxi? Oh, only taxi.
Which time do you want to go back to the airport?
On Sunday? Sunday.
Sunday which time?
2 o'clock? No, it's 11 o'clock in the morning.
No, no problem. My number 7, call me, then I'll come.
Okay.
Before 30 minutes, 40 minutes, call. 1 hour before call.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Before 3 days ago, this point.
Hmm.
1 hour and 40 minutes. Now 25 minutes. This was good traffic. Only my car speed is 10, 15.
So this is the city?
This is the city, this is the town.
Okay. And this one for... Same point. Same point. Same point. Yeah.
Same people.
Yeah.
Same language, same tradition, same
Yeah.
everything same.
Yes.
Vacancy I think too much. Roundabout.
Okay.
And I have too much expensive.
Oh.
Yeah, room rent I think 1500, 200, 2000, 3000 per day.
Oof. Wow. Maybe this one is the 5-star hotels now.
Yes.
Maybe your bed is gold. This one is the Macau.
What's your country name?
Philippines?
Philippines. I like you're from near to Pakistan.
Yeah.
A lot of people working in Dubai.
Dubai,
And
yeah.
here also. Yeah.
But only a few for Kuwait.
Few people.
Yeah. Small country. Kuwait is small.
This one-
Saudi is so big.
So big. A very good place. There is very nice buildings.
Brother,
Yeah.
from my hotel to Al Batha, is it far?
It's only I think 5 to 6 minute drive.
Okay, 5 to 6 minutes.
Maybe 10 minutes.
But because many Filipinos there, right?
Okay, no problem.
Many Filipini.
You have friends?
No.
To my Filipino brother, but
Yeah, I just want to see the place. Because I see on Facebook,
okay.
I see.
You have a book cream?
Karim.
When you come outside the hotel, there's a lot of private cars go to Batta, 20 real, 50 real.
Okay.
Maybe ज़्यादा. If you pay 50 real, 10 real, काफी ज़्यादा.
Okay.
But only 15 or 20 real bus.
15-20, huh?
From your hotel to there.
Okay.
I gave you my friend number. He is also present there. He is too much drive and don't need.
Yeah.
We are going anywhere, anytime. But this taxi. Bus is a kilometer. Bus is, it's the monitoring from police, monitoring from airport, monitoring from companies. There's a camera present.
Oh.
Camera present.
Really?
Has some Mac. This is Mac present. Everything was Scotty
Wow.
system present. Scotty system, everything is present.
Yeah.
This is right side alarm present. If you have any
Yes.
problem to push the button.
Okay.
Everything is present.
It's monitored. That's nice.
That is why this money is too much. But it's a good for any passenger.
Yeah.
It is safety.
Safe,
Safety, full safety.
That's elevator niya. I go to the second floor. 221. Yung receptionist hirap mag-English. Ako naman hirap mag-Arabic. Hindi wow. Nakikinig kami. 221. Oh. Ito. Tutuan A11 naman yan nandun. 221 dito. 221. Ayun.
floor. Okay. Check natin kung baka may ano. Change tayo ng room 517. Check natin kasi marami yung kanina. 517. Kasi ang 5 nila dito 6. Sira din. Six. Pasok tayo. Check natin. Ayan. Better to. Okay. This is better. Natin ang panyo. Okay. Ang mga batag. Okay. Kailan walang sabon. At ang panligo. May rat. Walang towel. Okay. Okay na rin to. No problem. Ayun, naghahanap tayo ng bakala o restaurant. Ayun. Okay, so ito tayo. Yes, naglalakad tayo layo from there punta dito, layo. Hanap tayo ng bakala, wala na tubig doon. This is Saudi, guys. General Court of Audit. Hi brother, can I have something? When Bakala here?
Bakala?
Yeah. Bakala, Matam,
Bakala here.
Bakala.
Go straight
Okay.
after right.
Go straight, then
Here
right.
Bakala hotel.
Oh, okay. But there's Matam also, restaurant?
Restaurant.
No.
Restaurant Pakistani or anyone?
Anything.
Anything. You go straight.
Go straight.
Straight and after right.
How many minutes by walk?
Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes, huh? Okay. Thank you, brother. So yan na guys, nawawala na tayo. Ngayon, kuha na lang tayo ng taxi. At punta tayo sa Bata. Magpapalit ng pera. Tapos bibili ng pagkain. Kasi di pa tayo nag-lunch. Yes, ito ang Saudi. Yeah! Saudi Arabia. Tapos tayo dito. Hindi ko lang kung pwede mag-cross dito. Siguro parang pwede.